Do you know your blood can get poisoned?
Oh my god!
Don't worry, you didn't eat poison. It's not as a result of eating poison. I will tell you.
What are you saying?
Okay, so my name is Piste Kalawale, a healthcare consultant, and I specialize in patient experience and education. You know what I do now? I equip you with the best knowledge for you to live healthy. Yeah, so what is blood poisoning? Blood poisoning, also known as septicemia, is the presence of bacteria or germs in the bloodstream as a result of untreated infections, and this can be gotten from maybe some wounds, uncared wounds, cuts, or untreated infections like urinary tract infections, lungs infections, teeth infections, and whatsoever kinds of infections. Once you leave infections untreated, of course you are prone to have a poisoned blood, in the sense that the infections from these different sites of the body, when they are left untreated, these bacteria move from that site to other parts of the body, and in the process of moving they could find their way into the bloodstream, because this bloodstream is the one that transports blood around the body. And you know, there are some major organs that must not be tampered with, like there must not be a presence of foreign agents there, and these organs are your brains, your hearts, your kidney. These are major organs that gets complicated from blood poisoning. And so this is the more reason why any wounds you have, a cuts you have, and even your infections, make sure you take care of this very well. Once you take care of these things, you are not at the risk of having your blood being poisoned. So who are those ones that are prone to blood poisoning? Like they are at the risk of getting their blood being poisoned. These people involves children, that is infants and newborns. Like these people they don't have a strong immune system yet, and so when they don't have a strong immune system yet, their body cannot be able to fight against infections, like invasions of bacteria and germs in the body. And this is more reasons why you have to take adequate care of your newborn and infant in order for them not to come down with infections, and so that even if they have infections, you make sure you take the necessary steps that is needed so as not to allow the infections travel through their bloodstreams and now get to their brains, get to their heart, where it might cause septic shock and start giving them problem and starts getting complicated at that point in time. Then older adults above 65 years, and this is as a result of them having a weak immune systems. Their immune system are now weak at that point in time. I hope you know that the older you get, the lesser your body systems get to like work as it should. They get weakened at that point in time. It's normal now. Then another set of people that are prone to blood poisoning are those ones that surgical patients, that they just underwent medical procedures or surgeries, because their wound sites or their surgical sites might not be properly taken care of. And that's why whenever you have such procedures, you are being given antibiotics to use. Please make sure you don't skip those medications. You are being given antibiotics to use for at least 2 weeks. Please don't skip, don't stop using those medications. And also, you are always given appointment to come back to the hospital for proper checks, so please don't miss those things, because if you miss those things, you are making your blood to be at the risk of getting poisoned, because when surgical sites get invaded with bacteria, you tend to have infections there, and when there is an infection happening there already, there might be a reason for those infections to travel from that site to other parts of the body, and which might include the bloodstream, and then your blood gets poisoned. So it is very important for you to make sure you use your antibiotics, to make sure you use your medications, and go for regular checkup. Then another set of people that are prone to this blood poisoning are those people with weak immune system. Like as a young adult, you could have a weak immune system, especially when you're not consuming the right nutrients you need to consume for your body to stay healthy, when you're not consuming the right nutrients for your immune system to get strong. This is very important. Make sure you treat your infections, make sure you take care of your wounds, your cuts, make sure you protect your newborn and infant from exposure to bacteria, germs, and whatsoever it could be. Yeah, so that will be all for today. I'm waiting to see your comment as usual. Please like, share, and